We've been talking about an outdoor activity you enjoy, and now I'd like to discuss with you one or two more general questions related to this. Let's consider first the topic of conversing outdoor spaces. Do you think that people nowadays are more or less aware of conserving public spaces for parks and reserves in comparison to 20 years ago?
Well, it is hard to say, especially it is really hard to see back in times. But if I really have to say, then I would think that people are generally more aware of keeping our environment clean in general and keeping our cities' facilities like the park. I think this is due to the fact that schools have raised students' awareness, and also the government on newspaper and magazines also broadcast about this.
Some people argue that urban development is more important than keeping public spaces for recreation. What's your view?
I think I kind of disagree. I kind of disagree about this statement. Firstly, I think I think keeping public space well is more important because more people spend time there. Just take my city for example. Lots of people spend time doing exercise and all sorts of activities in the park, while less and so I think keeping the park clean is keeping our people happy and healthy.
Who tends to enjoy outdoor recreation spaces more? Young people or old people?
Nowadays, I think that a large part of young people are spending too much time on the computer and such devices, especially those who are addicted. So for that reason, I think that older people, especially those who have retired their job, tend to have more time to go outdoors, have a little chill walk with each other, and just enjoy the outdoor space.
Now let's talk about working outdoors. What types of jobs do people in your country do in the outdoors?
Well, people in my country take part mostly working as a worker outdoor. In addition, there are also sports coach that spend time training for their trainees outdoor too.
What are some of the advantages of working outdoors?
Well, there are lots of advantages regarding to working outdoor. I think the most remarkable is that they get to breathe fresh air and not staying in the office, unlike those who work in the office. In addition, I think those who work outdoor also have the chance to talk, meet, and make more meaningful relationships compared to those indoors.
Are there any drawbacks to working outdoors?
As well as the advantages, there are also drawbacks that working outdoor could pose. Firstly, the first disadvantages for working outdoor, I think maybe it is affected by the weather. For example, in a sunny day, working outdoor is just alright, but in a rainy day, then I think the job needs to be cancelled to working indoor instead.
Okay, thank you. That is the end of the speaking.